So we're going to use Rust modules to refactor our code. So instead of us just deleting everything that is in this file, in this main file, a main.rs file, let's go ahead and copy everything out and then create a new file. Next to it, we're going to call it variables and functions, and then .rs. We're going to paste everything in there. We're going to change this function here to be called run. You cannot have two mains. We're going to change it to be called run. And then we're going to go into main, and everything that is inside main here, we're going to take it out. Let me take out this line here. I think it's one too many. Let's save this one. We're going to go into main. We're going to take out everything that is here. And then we have to bring in the variables and functions file. And the way to do that is you use mod. Then you're going to call what you're trying to bring in. Variables and functions. That's the mode that you're trying to bring in. And then in here, if I want this to run, I just have to call that run method. Let's see, variables and functions. There is a run method there. It should be able to show me that run method. No, it's not showing me. Let's go ahead and do run. And then this should work well. The only other thing that we need is we need to make sure that these functions are public, because right now they are private. So we need to change this to a public function. Change everything, change all these other functions here into public functions. And it's a public function. And then let's save it. Let's see if it runs. Let's see if we have any errors. If everything works out well, we should be able to see exactly what we had before. It's going to take a little bit longer to compile. Okay, so it's working just fine. So that's how you refactor your code using Rust modules. So that's what we're going to be doing now going forward. So I'm going to stop this video right here, and then we'll start a new video on a new topic.